kind of take a tour of Cricut Design Space and how you can use it. I'm going to bring in an SVG file just so I have something to use in this demonstration. So I'm going to click on Uploads and go Upload Image. And then I'm going to click on the Browse button. And I'm going to browse to where I have some SVG files saved. Let's use this one. And you can see it defaults straight to Save as Cut Image. That's because this is an SVG file. So I'm going to just call this one Family. And click the Upload button. That's it. That's all there is to uploading an SVG file when you're using a true high quality SVG. Now it's right here in my uploads, so I can click on that and add that to my canvas. All right, so you can see in this SVG, there is a wreath, the word the, and family. We can use all of these elements in different ways in this design that we're going to make. So first, let's take a look at this. Let's say you just wanted to use the circle part of this and not the word the lines, or the word family. Because this was an SVG, it was all brought in on one layer. And when you look over on the layers panel, you can see everything is on one layer. So it's all connected. So if I just wanted to use the wreath circle portion of this design, I could click on the contour button. Contour allows you to turn on and off different portions of your design. It's going to open up this smaller window, and within this smaller window, we're going to see each and every cut within the design. You can see each and every cut not only here in the main portion, but over here in the side panel. You can see this preview says it's the word family. So if I click on that, see how it turned it off here in the design? Now, it turned on the little loops in the center of the word family, but we can find those and turn those off. So let's scroll through here. Well, here's a straight line, so that's most likely this straight line. So let's turn that off. I'm going to guess this loop is one of the parts, yep, of the word family. So I'm just going to start clicking on some of these and turn them off. Oop, that was a part of the flower. So I might have clicked too many things. That's okay, we can just click them and turn them back on. We're going to scroll way down to the end. And sometimes when you're clicking things on and off, you can actually see it toggle on and off in here, so then you know what it is for sure. But I wasn't seeing those different things, so I might have to come back in. Okay, so I'm going to close out of there. Okay, so some of those little things I turned off for the leaves. No big deal. I can go back into contour, turn them back on. With some designs, it is hard to see what you're turning on and off. Play with this for a while and kind of get used to it. So I can also click in here to turn pieces off. And sometimes that's harder because it's hard to get right on those pieces. So I might zoom in. see where we're at. Sometimes you do have to go in and out and kind of check things. Okay, so I have these leaves right here I need turned back on. I have a dot over here that I need to turn off. Sometimes you gotta kind of hover and then pull away to get it to click the right piece. Oh, look at that. I did it. Okay, so now I just have the wreath piece.